Hello and welcome to Front Page. You have noticed it, yes, as well, right? That the timeline has been whispering. Where is Perplexity? Where is Arvind Srinivas? The critiques have been emphatic about the bubble burst. They said the search killer was getting demolished. Did you think they were hiding? Or you thought they were sleeping? Wrong on both accounts, I'm afraid. Because the news coming from Perplexity, which is saying there are $750 million worth of reasons to switch sides, and here is the headline. Bloomberg reported Perplexity just announced $750 million, which is $750 million as a 3-year deal. And who's on the receiving end, you wonder? Microsoft. The ink has not dried yet. Reuters has confirmed it. Bloomberg broke this news. So Perplexity is tapping Microsoft Azure to power its brain. But please don't, let the headline fool you at any level, because this does not look like some brilliant partnership. It actually seems more like leverage play. I'll explain. Which logically brings us to the strategy examination. Microsoft has a program called Foundry. To give you an insight into what it is, think of it as the ultimate VIP lounge for AI models. So by signing this deal, Perplexity doesn't just get Microsoft's tech, they get everything. They get access to OpenAI, they get Anthropic, they even get Elon's XAI, all running on Microsoft's infrastructure. So it's actually a buffet, not the Warren kind. I hope you got that. And you know what? Perplexity is starving. And Microsoft is being the best ever host by serving everyone's food, even their rivals, if you will. So if you thought that that was not dramatic enough, here is the narrative war. Perplexity swears, hand on heart, that Amazon Web Services, AWS, is still their main cloud provider. They haven't moved out, but the context. Do you remember 2025? Amazon sued Perplexity. They dragged them to court over the agentic shopping feature, accused them of infiltrating customer accounts, accused them of faking human activity. So now, picture this. Let us say you are being sued, God forbid, by your landlord, but you still keep paying rent. Meanwhile, you, who is being sued, hands over $750 million to the guy across the street. Saying that this situation is complicated is an understatement. Clearly, of course, we need to understand what does this mean for the ecosystem. Startups are very scared. They have learned their lesson not to build one's castle only on one landlord's land, which means Perplexity is diversifying. They are pitching the giants against each other, a multi-cloud strategy. It sounds boring maybe, but you know what? It is actually for survival. And for Microsoft, this is big. They are positioning Foundry as the neutral hub and saying with a very, very big smile, come to us. We have all the models. We don't care who made them. Doesn't matter. Which makes it, of course, very aggressive and smart. So what does it mean for you who's watching? Hello. I ask myself, why should a 25-year-old scrolling Twitter care about cloud contracts? Yeah. Well, because your tools are about to get way sharper. Perplexity is fighting for its life. They need the best models and the fastest speed. And what they are willing to do is to burn cash to keep you searching. The search war is far from over. It actually just got locked and loaded. And Perplexity is still in the ring. And we, of course, at Front Page are watching from ringside as the bell goes off. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. Think AI. Think AIM.